Hi there! In this video, we're going to show how our Migration Wizard can help you import tickets into Zendesk. The main benefit of our tool is that Migration Wizard simplifies the migration process, making it faster and more effective. Before you continue watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more data migration tutorials, news about customer service, and more. First of all, you need to create an account with our service in case you don't have one. Before you proceed with the test import, make sure you have created an account on Zendesk because you need a space where you're going to import your data. If you want more details on the pre-migration process, take a look at our checklist. We have left a link for you in the description box. After that, you need to choose your source help desk from the given list and fill in the form with the necessary credentials. This will enable our Migration Wizard to retrieve the data. The next step is to choose Zendesk as your target software and connect it to our tool. Moving forward, you need to specify what data you'd like to import. Since you want to migrate tickets, click on the appropriate box. Right after you click, you will see a pop-up where you need to set up the mapping of ticket fields, both standard and custom. Once that's done, hit the Save button to apply your settings. Apart from tickets, you can migrate your knowledge base as well. Note that the tool will transfer your tickets along with all replies, notes, and attachments. When everything is set up, you can start the test import to see how your migration to Zendesk will look like. After the import is done, you will see the summary page with migrated entities and the buttons next to them, which you have to press to download reports. As soon as you have pressed one of the buttons, a report will open. In the report, you will see a list of record ID on your source software and corresponding records on Zendesk. Note that you have to check all tickets to make sure that everything has migrated correctly. After that, confirm that the data got transferred accurately. If everything looks great, you may start importing all data right away or schedule your import. But before you do so, make sure your Zendesk instance is ready. We have an awesome checklist to help you with this task. You'll find a link to it in the description box. However, if you have any questions or would like to customize your migration, just leave us a message in the live chat. So, what are you waiting for? Don't miss your chance to improve your customer experience with Zendesk. Sign up in Migration Wizard and start the migration process now. We hope this video was useful for you, and we are looking forward to seeing you soon.